Supposed to be there about lunchtime, and honestly, I'm running a little bit behind schedule from what I had planned. Chunky River Harley-Davidson again. What's going on, guys? We are headed down to Meridian, Mississippi today to meet up with Adam Sandoval and the Great American Convoy. Supposed to be there about lunchtime, and honestly, I'm running a little bit behind schedule from what I had planned, so we got to jump on the bike and hit the road. But what do you think about this cap? Check my cap out. Kelly B Gliding. Bought this from him down in Louisiana. You guys go Kelly B Gliding's channel, send him an email, get some of his merch. Richardson 112s are my favorite caps that there are, so I love this thing. You guys go get some merch. Be sporting this today, but let's get south and meet up with the convoy. What's going on, guys? We are headed south toward Meridian. That I was running a little bit behind schedule, but today is Friday, June the 6th, and the Great American Convoy with Adam Sandoval is coming into Chunky River Harley-Davidson in Meridian, Mississippi. They'll be there from 12 until 1:30, and then leaving there and going to T-Town Harley-Davidson in Alabama. And hopefully the weather is going to hold out and be nice. It looks beautiful here right now. They were originally given like 45-50% chance of thunderstorms today, and there may be some popping up down around the Meridian area closer to 1 o'clock, it looks like, but we'll see what happens with the weather. And hopefully you guys can hear me. Adjusted the volume, the mic volume on my camera a little bit, but when we were in New Orleans on the Just Unleash the Peace ride, Just GQ, we went through that rain, and I know my mic got completely soaked because I had to leave my visor up to be able to see where I was going, and so hopefully that didn't damage it. But I guess we'll find out today. And as I said, today's Friday, June the 6th. I know a lot of you guys that I follow, a lot of guys that I've met are headed up to Knoxville, Tennessee to Run to the Hills 5. And man, it is it is killing me that I'm not able to go this year. I had something else planned in a few weeks, and I just got back from New Orleans, which I originally wasn't planning on going to a couple of weeks ago, and it's just not going to work out for me this year to go to Knoxville, man. But I hope you guys have a awesome ride up there to Knoxville. I know a lot of people riding up, I think, from Alabama and Georgia. I know Jeff Williams and Free are headed down from Buffalo, New York. So hope you guys have good weather. Hope everything works out well for your ride. You have a safe trip and an awesome experience. And I'm really looking forward to those videos that everybody's going to be putting out from Run to the Hills 5. And at this point, I don't know what else I have planned for next year, but I'm definitely planning on keeping that on the agenda for next year, and plan to make it to Run to the Hills 6. So hopefully some of you guys will as well, and those of you that I've met at other events and that I met there last year, hopefully we can meet there again next year. But yeah, guys, awesome weather, and I'm going to try to, hopefully I'll get there in time. I will get my mileage validated today and get that done. And I really kind of messed up, guys. I didn't tell y'all about this, but I kind of messed up with my Let's Ride challenge, because when I asked about it at Southern Thunder, it's probably my fault, because I asked about the hog miles. They gave me a phone number to call. I talked to the lady there. She got my mileage in, got me set up on that so I can get my lifetime hog miles in, and gave me credit for the miles that I bought, that I put on since I bought the bike. So that was great. But I was thinking that when I did that, I was in the Let's Ride challenge, but I wasn't. So when we were down in Slidell at North Shore Harley Davidson, I got that. No, I take that back. I was at Southern Thunder that day that I got that done, and so I validated my mileage in Slidell, and so I put on a good bit of miles that I did not get credit for toward the Let's Ride challenge. So trying to make up for some of that and get some miles logged toward that challenge. But yeah, guys, we're headed there on the roads. Great weather. Where everybody has a safe ride, just making it there, and looking forward to seeing Adam again and seeing how many bikes roll in with him on the convoy this time as they come across Mississippi, and check it out. So let's get on down the road, guys. Let's get there. We'll check back with you guys later when we get closer to the dealership, or if I see something that I think is worth you guys seeing. Got about 20 minutes left. Almost there. Alright guys, we made it here. Chunky River Harley Davidson again. Waiting on the Great American Convoy to come in. The bike's here already. Let's check things out. I meant to get the drone up when they came in, but they rolled in early. So at least I was out here when they came in.
raised a total of $10,400. That is exactly the type of stops we need to get these things going forward. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for all the efforts that you guys have do the fundraising all year long to put money together to come here and donate it. So this is how that happens. It's our community coming together. $10,000 in one stop is absolutely phenomenal. So thank you so much to all of you that showed up here. Thank you for having us on your shoulder and allowing us to raise that money here. It's just awesome. I can't thank you guys enough. I do get a lot of patients people on that line and tell me thank you for that. The reality is today, it's all y'all. Put your hard cash out, take your time, take your vacation days, actually go to level of life. You have to do this with our minds, right? That's a sacrifice in itself. And if we didn't all do that together, we're not going to do absolutely nothing. So I want you all to know it's all in the community. It is a very important cause to raise money for the Wounded Warrior Project. They are out there every day helping veterans that need help. A lot of these veterans can't see the things that they need, right? They walk through the wounds, they look for the normal. There's invisible wounds. They're very real. They're taking lives of veterans every single day.
Guys, the Great American Convoy is off to the next stop. Thought about riding, but if I head over there, I'm going to be in thunderstorms about all the way back home. So, fixing to head back to the house. Appreciate you guys tuning in. And y'all keep up with the Convoy online. If you haven't, go online, donate to Wounded Warrior Project. Go through Adam's website, or better yet, visit him at one of the dealership stops. And let's hit that goal. Thanks for watching, guys. And when I told y'all I started buying poker chips, I didn't get it on camera last time. There's a poker chip I got at North Shore Harley Davidson, and got my second one today at Chunky River Harley Davidson. So the collection has begun. All right, let's get the road. Get on the road, hit the road. Let's get on it.
Yes, sir, I'm about to take it on in. So once again, I appreciate you guys coming along with me today. And appreciate you watching. Don't forget, you guys go, if you haven't already, and contribute to Adam's cause and make a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. You guys get out there and enjoy the road. Stay safe, and we will catch you guys in the next one.